Greeting, YouTube viewers. Today we're going to be testing this Aguila 22 Interceptor. This is kind of like a direct competition to the CCI Velocitor. They're both 40 grain. They both travel a little over 1,400 feet per second. I'm going to be firing this directly into a group of phone books. Each phone book is 892 pages. We have two of them. And also behind that, I have a little catalog. I'm not sure what the pages are on that, but I got a feeling that it's going to go through both phone books, no problem. I did fire this before, however, I never did record it on video. So today I'm going to record it on video. So give me a second here. I'm going to go ahead and set up the camera. I don't have a tripod, so bear with me, but I will be getting one of those very soon. And I apologize for that. So bear with me a second. I'm going to set this up. And then once I have it set up, give me about 15 seconds to get to my rifle, which is a Colt M4 22lr long rifle, and let's see what happens. Alright, let's see what we have here. Alright, I think I see it right here. And let's see if it went all the way through. No, it didn't go all the way through. I'm surprised, but I'm pretty sure I'll be willing to bet. Bear with me, I have a knife here to cut through this and try to hold the camera at the same time. So, did it go through both phone books? Nope. So, I would have lost that bet. Let's see here, hold on a second here. Went through one phone book right there. You can see that. And to the next one here. Let me just turn this around, it'll probably be easier. Oh, there it is right there. As you guys can see, it's right there. And it's kind of wedged in 2 pages. I think that's the page right there where it's going to catch it. Right there. There you have it. What page is that? Page 248. Okay. And there's around right there, 40 grain. So it went through completely. Let me go ahead and set this over here somewhere. Put that right there. So it went through. I wouldn't say that it went completely through both like I anticipated. However, pretty damn close. That's what all separates the round from going completely through. And like I said, if it would have went through this, I had this little B&H catalog that would have caught it. So, not a bad round. Like I said, I think I'd much rather have the heavier grain than the high speed. I did actually test this with the Aguila Super Maxim. It didn't penetrate as well as this Interceptor, in my opinion. But anybody that thinks that a 22 is kind of weak and, you know, you can just go ahead and take a bullet to the chest like it's no big deal, wrong. If your chest is thicker than both of these phone books, you're still in trouble. So that's my opinion. For all you guys that do like shooting the 22R, it's relatively cheap to shoot, and you know, it's kind of fun. It's definitely not a toy. Just consider that. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to write me on my YouTube. You have a great day. Bye.